The quality of your posture can have an incredible impact on your life. If you have good posture, you will perform better on the sporting field, have a healthier appearance, and even experience more confidence in your everyday life. Poor posture, on the other hand, can increase the risk of certain chronic health conditions and can even cause severe pain. But how can you understand if you have a bad posture? Well, there are several common symptoms of poor posture, with the most obvious ones being back pain, curved neck, headaches, rounded shoulders, feelings of muscle fatigue, having a head that either leans forward or backward, developing a pot belly, or facing pain in your joints and muscles. If you experience this kind of symptoms, you've come to the right place. Because in this video, we will share with you 3 simple exercises that will help you improve your posture. Let's get started. First exercise, bridge. Bridge builds strength in the glutes and erector spinae, which help you maintain proper posture when you're sitting or standing for an extended period of time. The move also strengthens the core, which always helps with posture. To do a bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, and lift your hips by engaging your core and buttocks muscles. The buttocks and lower back should raise off the ground and gently lower back down to the starting position. Second exercise, child's pose. Child's pose is a common position in yoga for people of all flexibility and fitness levels. It's a pose meant to stretch your muscles and promote relaxation and restoration. Child's pose helps you explore the range of motion in your shoulders by stretching your arms above your head. It also helps lengthen and stretch the spine, which is used to being slouched after years of bad posture. To do child's pose, you need to get down onto your hands and knees and gently lean your body backward, keeping your hands in the same position. Continue leaning back until your forehead touches the floor. Then your arms should make a straight line and your buttocks should rest on your heels. Try also to keep your arms straight and shoulders relaxed. Placing a mat or towel on the floor can make this pose more comfortable. Third exercise, hip flexor stretches. The pelvic tilt of the body helps determine the posture of the body. Since the hip flexor muscles directly control the lower body, it has a significant role in your body posture. However, this pelvic tilt shifts in a particular direction due to excessive sitting or inclined standing for a long time. As a result, it forms a distorted posture and does not keep your body straight. It is essential to perform flexor stretches to correct the pelvic tilt. It helps the pelvic region return to its original position and improves the body posture. To do a hip flexor stretch, kneel with your right knee on the ground and place your left foot in front and bend your knee at a 90-degree angle. Keep your back straight, chest forward, and head upright. Then place both hands on your left thigh and gently press your hips forward and hold the position for 20 seconds. Repeat this stretch on the right side. There is no doubt that having a good posture is important. Maintaining proper alignment of the body while sitting and standing helps prevent injury and pain and supports the functioning of the muscles and the rest of the body. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.